Recoveryfix Backup for Microsoft 365 is an advanced utility that will help you back up your Exchange Online components, including the primary mailbox, archive mailbox, and public folder, with complete data accuracy. Let's see the step-by-step process of backing up your mailbox data with the help of this software. Press Windows plus Q and type Recoveryfix Backup for Microsoft 365 in search box and click to open it. On the software's home screen, you can see two options, Backup and Restore. Click on the Backup option to proceed with the process. Click on the Connect option to add your Office 365 account to the software. In the Choose Login Types dialog box, you can see two options, Basic Authentication and Modern Authentication. Select Modern Authentication to log in and press OK to continue. On the login page, enter your Office 365 account credentials, such as Tenant ID, Client ID, and Client Secret Value, in their respective sections. After that, select List All Mailboxes using Above Credentials option, and click on Get User Mailboxes to load all the associated mailboxes of that account. Once they are displayed, choose the desired ones and click on Add. Your selected mailbox will be displayed on the screen. Verify them once and proceed to Set Filter and Migrate option. In this wizard, you have the flexibility to choose the mailbox migration type, such as Mailbox, Archive Mailbox, or Public Folders for backup, and click on the Migrate option. The software will start loading the folders of Office 365. Once it is completed, select the necessary folders manually by utilizing the checkboxes. However, you can also search for folders, then select required ones and apply different filters such as Date Filter, to select the data between date range using From and to option. Item Type Filter, to choose emails, journal, contacts, calendar, or appointment for backup. Exclude Deleted Folder, to skip deleted folders and their files. Exclude Empty Folders, to prevent backup of empty folders. Select if you want to save all data hierarchy into a separate folder. Once all the filters are applied, proceed to I am OK, Start Migration option. In the Save As wizard, select your desired output format from the available saving options, then click OK to continue. Furthermore, if you choose a PST file as the output format, you have the option to split PST files as per your requirement. Browse the desired destination to save your backup data in the system drive, then click OK. With the tool, you can create a new folder and save your backed up files in it. The software will begin backing up process of your mailboxes, and you can monitor the live progress on your screen. Wait for its completion. Once the process is completed, you will be notified with a pop-up message that shows Process Completed. Please save the report to CSV. Click OK to proceed. Now, press the Save Report to CSV option to save the detailed backup report in your system. Enter the preferred name of your CSV file, then click on Save. Finally, press OK to end the procedure. By following these simple steps, you can quickly back up your Exchange Online components on your local drive. To know about the software in detail, visit its webpage. Have a great day.